Hello everyone, I'm Amethyst Room Witch, and today I'm going to be unboxing the April Witch Casket. So let's have a look see. I can't remember what the theme for this casket was, but I do know the theme for the May casket, which I'll tell you at the end. So let's get into it. Oh, it's protection magic. So of course we have our pamphlet, which looks amazing just from the cover. So, gotta love that. That's beautiful. So the message is, here's April's Witch Casket. This casket is all about protection magic, and we hope the contents will help you to feel safe, secure and protected as you practice your craft and in your everyday life. Please remember to read through this pamphlet so you can familiarise yourself with this month's items, our specially selected suppliers, and any safety information. Thank you so much for always tagging your social media posts so we can find and share them. We feel so appreciated when we see the time, love and creativity that goes into your enchanting pictures. And we love seeing your casket items gracing your magical spaces. Thank you for always making us feel so blessed to be doing what we do. Until the next time, be well, Deb and Ella. So of course, spoilers, I use it to pack everything up at the end. So I'm gonna pop that to one side and then wonder what my cat Luna is doing. What are you up to? She's officially 3 as of recording this. So she's not a baby anymore. You're not a baby, are you? No, she's inspecting. She's inspecting the contents. It's quite funny to see. What are you doing? Can I have a look? Right, I'm gonna. Oh. So the artwork, which is an exclusive. So this is designed by the in-house designer, and it is a simple but powerful statement. I love it. What are you doing? What are you up to? What are you doing? Yep, that's the lid of the box. So the next item is a protection spell bottle kit. Contains everything you need to create a magical protection bottle. I'll have a look at this at the end to show all the items. Are you finished? Nope. What are you doing? What is it? Because not the table. Anywhere but the table. She's a darling. She really is. This is my 3-year-old Luna. Are you going to stop being a brat? Dropped her on the floor. She's fine. She's just inspecting other areas now. So the next item is the elemental talisman. So there's 5 altogether. This is number 4. May will be the last casket to have this, and you won't be able to get it anywhere. So this is water. So that's the back. And this is the front. So you can clearly see it's water. There's no way it can be anything else. So it's an exclusive talisman, one of a series of 5, designed and created exclusively for subscribers to represent the 5 elements of earth, air, fire, water and spirit. So that's this month's talisman. Let's have a look at this box. This is quite a heavy box. It's a cast iron altar cauldron. So side artwork, the top artwork, cast iron altar cauldron. Use this magical cast iron altar cauldron for fire magic spells, burning rituals, or with a charcoal disc to burn loose incense, herbs, or resin. Right, now to get into it. Now to get into it. Come on. There we go. Ooh. Oh my god, it's got a lid. This is like the little saucepan lid. Sorry, I've wanted a cauldron for ages. I've got a cauldron wax melt burner that came in not last December, the December before. I think it was the December 21 casket. I've got a cauldron incense burner for cones, and now I've got this little thing. So it's a 3-legged cauldron. So there's a little, it's a proper cauldron. I love it. It's a cauldron. I officially have a cauldron. That's my new favourite. Luna's after a bug. Oh, that's my new item. That's my new favourite. So what's this? Oh, that's pretty. So the artwork on the back of the info card, very pretty, and it's a pentacle protection keyring. So just trying to show the slightly more detailed side. And the pentacle has long been used by witches as a symbol of protection. The points of the pentacle representing the 5 elements of earth, air, fire, water and spirit, the 5 things essential to sustain life. The circle surrounding them contains and protects, and also connects the 5 points, indicating that earth, air, fire, water and spirit are all connected. I do love this. Don't know what my current keyring is, but it may get changed. So, lovely little keyring. So, what's this? Black salt for use in spells and rituals for protection, banishing or hex breaking. Can be sprinkled across doorways to keep negative energies from entering. This has to be, it's a cork bottle that has been sealed with wax, but obviously that's, so it's got a lovely label, black salt, and it is actually black. Definitely black. Oh, beautiful. Lovely. So next we have a protection pendant kit. Interesting. So there's 2 crystals to choose from. So it comes with the cord, the wire cage, and 2 crystals. Create a pendant imbued with powerful protective energy. Choose smoky quartz for general protection and grounding, or choose amethyst for energy protection and calm. And the artwork on the back. So amethyst, I knew amethyst as soon as I saw it. It's a lovely purple. Beautiful little thing. And then, oh, it is smoky quartz. And then there's smoky quartz. Beautiful. Oh, back here. So just putting that back, just to make sure everything stays together. So that's the pendant kit. We've got a pin next. Come here, off the box. It's a spell bottle. It's a spell bottle. So it's got the pentacle at the top, a couple of crystals, some herbs, and an iron nail. Iron nails are known for protection. So let's see. I'm intrigued as to what this is. Witch's bells, another set of witch's bells. Apologies if you are sound sensitive. So I'm just getting the label off. So the back of the artwork, back of the label. The ringing of bells has long been used to clear away stagnant and unwanted energy from the home. Witch's bells are designed to hang on your door and ring whenever anyone enters, ensuring whoever is paying you a visit doesn't bring negative energy with them. Now, the previous one, it's hanging by my door. I can't hang it on my door because of the design of the door. Not my personal choice, it's what came with my home. But look at that. And there's 6 bells altogether. That's really pretty. I like that. So that came in just a plain little bag, but the label with it as well. I'm just going to try and drop that in as quietly as possible. So that was the witch's bells. So next we have a protection candle. It's the artwork on top, the label, side artwork, and then there's oh, it's a bit of a kit. So there's protective black tourmaline chips and dill. much there is. It's a dress your own protection candle. So there's the dill. I'm not going to get it out because it's there's dusty particles in here, and then the black tourmaline chips, and then the candle itself. It's just a black candle. Black is the colour of protection as far as I'm aware. It can also be used for banishing. So I suppose if you want to banish negative energies, you can use black candles to protect the space. So there are instructions on the back of the box. So lightly dress your candle with the protective black tourmaline chips and dill. Light the candle and affirm. And there's a little poem. Made from 100% pure soy wax, and never leave a burning candle unattended. I can't do that anyway with two cats because they're both inquisitive when they want to be. So 2 items left. I've got protection incense, which is violet and sandalwood. So that's the front of the box, and then the back. So finally we have a very tightly rolled scroll. Right, let's see if I can get this. I always like to try and get the sticky label off because it looks like a kind of wax seal, and I do have something creative that I would like to do with these. I just haven't got around to doing it yet. So that's that one off. I'm just going to pop that there. And the scroll has 3 simple protection spells: a jewellery protection charm, a mirror reflection spell, and a protection charm bag. Presented beautifully. This will go in my magical folder. So that's all the things apart from the spell kit. So let's see if we can repack everything. So we've got, first off, the cast iron altar cauldron, my favourite. Then we've got the black salt. And then we've got the witch's bells. We hope you adore these bewitching, decorative and protective magical bells we created especially for you. Then we've got the protection pendant kit. Our exclusive kit contains everything you need to create a pendant imbued with powerful protective energy. The dress your own protection candle. That's this one. we've got the protection bottle enamel pin, this lovely thing. We've got the protection kit, which I'll do in a minute, the incense, packing peanuts are always in the way. There we go, that's in. We've got the protection key ring. The Simple Protection Spells parchment scroll. This beautiful parchment is inscribed with 3 simple spells for fast magical protection. This information can be copied to your grimoire or book of spells, or you can simply place the sheet inside your spell book. Framed, these scrolls can also add splendour to the walls of your home. I don't have a lot of wall space, so this will get unrolled and put in a folder. We've got the art print. This opulent art print was created by our in-house designers, and we hope you love it as much as we do. That print being this. And then we've got the free gift of the water elemental talisman. This lovely thing. So, final thing to have a look at is the protection bottle ritual kit. So we have an amber bottle with a cork. I love bottles. I love these bottles. We've got a small black candle. That's presumably for sealing the box. We've got an iron nail. And then we've got 2 herbs, which are numbered, but in the pamphlet and in the instructions, they are named for the herbs that they are. So first we've got Angelica. So they come in these little brown paper pouches. I used to love it when they came in the little plastic baggies. And then we've got barley. And then we've got the instructions. So adding the herbs, holding the nail. Interesting. And then the artwork on the back of the instructions. What I have been trying to do is write down all the spells from each casket and put them into my own book of spells, because I'd like to display some of the beautiful artwork that's on the back of the instructions, and I can't do that if it's just sitting in a corner or in a folder somewhere. So I will be putting this up on my wall at some point. So yeah, that's the artwork. So the artwork and instructions. The 2 herbs of barley and angelica, the iron nail, the candle, and the bottle. And that's everything from the April casket. I hope you've enjoyed this as much as I have. The cauldron is definitely my favourite item. I love all of them though, but the cauldron is definitely up there. So yes, that's all of this month's items. If you'd like to subscribe, I'll put all the details in the description below. You will not regret signing up for it, because the May casket is all about herbology. So it's going to have a very plant heavy theme, but it should be good fun. I hope you've all enjoyed this. I hope you do subscribe, because they are amazing boxes. Caskets. Gotta call them caskets. But yes, I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope to see you all again soon, and hope you all stay safe and be well.